is vaccinating its population at warp speed, and in the Palestinian territories, they're preparing to do the same, although the pace may differ. The Palestinian Authority is preparing to procure vaccines in two different ways. Firstly, through the COVAX Advanced Market Commitment Facility, a global mechanism of the World Health Organization to finance access to COVID-19 vaccines for developing countries and territories. Officials say this will be enough for about 1/5 of the Palestinian population.
We are talking about the first priority about the health workers, elderly who are suffering from chronic diseases affecting the immune system. After that, we will go to vaccinate the rest of the population. So we are talking about 20% from the population in West Bank and Gaza will be covered by COVAX.
Secondly, through direct negotiations with pharmaceutical companies and other countries.
The Minister of Health in West Bank is planning to buy 4 million doses for people in West Bank and Gaza. We are hoping that we will cover about 40 to 50% from the population.
Israeli media reported this week that 5,000 doses of the Russian Sputnik vaccine have been approved by Israel's health ministry for entry into the West Bank. This vaccine has not yet been approved by the FDA or been given emergency use listing by the WHO, but the Palestinian Authority has given it the green light.
It is obviously up to countries to carefully weigh the risks and benefits of the available data and to approve other vaccines irrespective of whether WHO recommends it or not. And a number of countries are utilizing vaccines that have not received emergency use listing by WHO.
The Minister of Health signed the urgent use of Sputnik vaccine in Palestine. So if we receive it, we already have the platform, the legal platform to use it.
One of the keys to success of the Israeli campaign has been that Israelis are all registered on electric databases, organized by the country's 4 major healthcare providers. The Palestinian Authority is now preparing something similar. Palestinian officials believe Israelis will cooperate with their campaign.
We are also discussing with the Israeli Ministry of Health, and they have given us assurances that they would look into, vaccine import as a priority. And I think we have a very good exchange in that respect. And we are reasonably assured that, whenever the vaccines will become available, that there won't be any obstacles.
And with nearly 1,500 fatalities from the virus in the West Bank and some 500 in Gaza, this help cannot come soon enough. Emily Rose, I-24 News.